Here we go. Nice timing. Really good timing, in fact. Running away from the field. That's going to be 4. Oh, what a beauty! What a beauty! Absolutely sensational. Wanted to nick the ball before. Clean him up.
Oh, what a great follow-up. Tremendous with a capital T. Brilliant full Yorker. Very full length. And the swing. Get that big back leg out the way, Chris Gayle. To his demise, look at this. Much to the dismay and demise of...
Boom! Well, I've been here for 2 weeks and Paul Stirling's hit about 250 of those cover drives this tour so far. Gone! Boom! Nipped one back this time. Imtiaz on fire.
How freaky. Talk about symmetry with the over wicket. Gayle, he got knocked over. There's a boundary, then a wicket. We had a boundary for Stirling and then a wicket as well. Great seam presentation, but I've got to say, Paul Stirling, very ambitious, given it's only a second delivery. What a start for Team Abu Dhabi. 2 big...
Ducker goes on the flick, he goes on the scoop. This is Ben Ducker to a T. He's been doing this for the best part of a decade back in England. Luke Wright up in the air, but it's got plenty of it. It's not a big boundary, it's gone all the way. Good connection, good commitment. 2-0. Straight up in the air. Shazad leaves it for fine leg. Oh, Shazzy, you've got out of jail. That was yours, keeper. Nice timing. Really good timing, in fact. Running away from the field. That's going to be 4. Well. Cameron Delport.
Talents from various parts of the world, and that's exactly what T10 is about.
All right, well, they've got talent on the field and they've got talent in the management. Thank you, Kumar.
Thank you
Back
very
up to
much.
you guys.
Straight down the ground. Really good connection. Oh, my word, it's nearly taken our cameraman out.
Oh, it's not out there for long. Enough. Knocked over, and they've been hitting the stumps here, have the Gladiators.
Lovely change of pace. Rueful smile from Clark. He knows he's been done all ends up here. Very good. If someone's set and someone's hitting the ball as hard as they can through the line, you can take the pace off and still keep the ball straight. Let's have a look here. Yeah, just rolls the fingers down, does him all ends up. Clips the top of leg stump. Very fine bowling. Well done, Zohore. He's very happy with life.
Oh, there is an edge, and there are more runs for those in yellow. Najibullah underway. The right arm angle. Opportunity. Tahir. Oh, that is a cracker. The old boy has taken an absolute screamer in the deep, and now he's going to do a lap of honour.
Could that be the Dream 11 game changer moment of the match? Gandalf in the deep has pulled off a beauty.
Oh, you ripper. Oh, where is the son of Rohan when you need him? He's next door, Rohan Gavaskar, doing Hindi, but this is a ripper from Imran Tahir. Oh, pop that in the vault locker. We'll get it out for years to come.
Well, he certainly is a wizard. And this one's been smashed through the offside. Luke Wright moved that deep cover fielder a bit squarer with the ball before or after.
Yeah, good chunk of this. One bounce and a skimmer away through the onside. Oh, don't bother running. And Overton doesn't. That is sweet.
There you go, full leg stump, squeezed out. Will they go for 2? Yep, Luke Wright's coming back. I don't think he's made that He went for the two. It wasn't a difficult throw from the deep. And Luke Wright's given himself out already. He's already walking off.
Yep, and Alex Wharf is upstairs here, their TMO. Just going to have a little look. I think he knows it too. He's done the right thing. He had to come back. It's a good throw.
Yeah, right over the top of the bails. There you go. Luke Wright's given the game up already. So here we go, the big silver OUT.
Last ball of the 8th. Oh, it might be above the waist, is it? Oh, there's a direct hit. It is all going Deccan's way, even off a no ball. God, what a cracker. Run out, baby. Get back to the pavilion. That is Dead-Eye Dick.
Unbelievable stuff. It was a no ball for height. It had already been called. As you can see there, Overton went for the single. The only way you can be out off a no ball is run out. And look at that, he's gone by a country mile.
That's all happening. Laced beautifully through extra. Geez, that's a great stroke to finish the 8.
It might not be as bad as you think if you're a Team Abu Dhabi fan. Oh, well, it is now. It's 88 for 8. Spoke too soon there.
Shut up, Swanee.
Sorry.
Yeah. One of the other wizards in this lineup. Sunil Narayan. It's all the 8s, but all the 2s. You got 88 for 8. He was tight, but he's okay. He's fine. Really is a superb delivery.
Yeah, no problems with that. Move it along, rock and roll, whatever they say. There you go, it's the off spinner. Went for the big hoik. Fling the top of leg stump. Boom, happy with that.
Flashing away. Ah, and it's flashing some more. Hopefully not a no ball.
He's happy with this one. I think he'll make sure his foot's well behind the line. The umpires aren't telling the batsman to wait this time. They're very good. He bowls straight. If he misses, you hit. Bowl through the legs. Well done, that man. So, as the Hawes on 3 for 12.
They've got a leg by to finish, but they can't breach 100. Seen a couple of occasions here. It was 87 for 4 in the previous game with the Arabians, and now Team Abu Dhabi have only managed to get to 95 for 9 as we trudge off for the Mitre Bywater innings break. And the players will be refreshed. And
nicely timed, just didn't really find the gap. Well, found the gap, enough's enough. Shazad has said you're not going to get away without being hit for get out there and soak up a few deliveries. Edged and just over. This T10 Wing Al-Haq, slower delivery as well. But again, they're able to find the gap. Walrus. How many times have we seen this so far in this competition? Players use entertaining us. And does it again. Poor delivery, deserved to go for the boundary. Big over this one, 20 runs coming on.
It's just me, I think of myself. I think of other people and you think of yourself, obviously. This is a advantage that's gone for 4. 3 overs gone now.
To slay it through the offside. Well, he gets the width, he gets the extra bounce, and he helps it on its way for the first maximum for the Gladiators. Here's a chance, and taken. What a great catch by Paul Stirling. It's never easy coming in. They had to pick up a wicket. And Team Abu Dhabi have finally struck.
Yeah, Shazad going for another big hit over the top. Spliced it away on the offside. And Paul Sterling, off the boundary, comes charging in. The big dive forward. Great catch. Safe hands. The bowler's over the moon.
Skipper will be at the non-strikers end and he'll still stay there. Oh, that was absolutely smoked out of the middle.
Four runs, really good shot. Kieron Pollard, new to the crease, gets a free hit, gets it. Slow ball. Oh, it's good batting. It's really good batting from Delport because he picks it. He picks it out of the hand and he hits it inside out.
Devils too easy last night.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's really good batting from Cameron Delport. He second guesses the bowler. He knows he's got to pitch up. He just pumped. Chipped in the air. Look how strong he is. Look how strong Kieron Pollard. It's gone all the way. It's nothing more than a leading edge. Carry. Ah, too good, Pollard. Too good. Good length to hit. Pollard stays leg side and just correct to death as anyone. I mean, pace bowler, everything. Just misses it slightly, carts it away. That is the risk. Delport's look good tonight. 12 to win.
And come on.
Brilliant, I told you. He's the Yorker king. Look at this dance. Look at this. Ronnie Mustafa.
Well, it's a cracker. Really is. He's been looking for it. And finally gets it, gets his man. Cameron Delport got to 40, but couldn't kick on and finish things. Yeah, there it is again, full from Mustafa. And it's time to get at a bit of DJ Bravo jiving. Yeah.
Naveen crunches. Has he got enough? Oh, brilliant save. Nearly, absolutely wonderful by Shinwari, but he saves his side of 6.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing this again. Usman Shinwari. Quality left arm quick. Talk about hang time. That is extraordinary how high Shinwari got there.
High in the air, high in the air. They need this catch. They need it. Joe Clark, game on. Pollard's got to go. Jamie Overton. Oh, yes, you love it.
Be filthy with himself here. Kieron Pollard wanting to finish it in style. Picks one of the bigger pockets here at Zayed. Yeah, more of a thick top edge. Shows you the power and the size of that blade. And yeah, taken comfortably.
2 to win. In the air. Can you get there, Duckett? Can you get there? Oh, you do. He's on a hat-trick. Team Abu Dhabi. They won't go away. Brilliant catch. Brilliant bowling.
You're kidding me. No, we're not. Because it's T10. Overton on a hat-trick. Can he be a hero here and snatch it for those in yellow? Bangs it in. Yeah, didn't like it. And then he thought, well, I'll just get something on this, paddle around and maybe pick up 1 or 2. But no, Duckett made good ground.
Here we go. Slashed away. There we go. Sunny Narayan gave himself a little bit of width. Slashed the third man as he often does. Great efforts from Jamie Overton though. Fantastic. Gave his side a half.
A bit streaky there by Shajil. Didn't mean to get it that fine. Interesting to see how they play against Chase. He's fairly tall, so he'll extract that bounce from just short of a length, which is going to pin the batsman back into the crease. So he's not going to be able to get that stride into the ball.
Pulled away. Murtaugh's down there. He'll cut that one off. No, he won't. Just too quick for Murtaugh. Couldn't get down. Third, fourth, shake of the head from Peter Chase. And this is a good over for Pakistan after the drinks break. Sharjeel pushing on. This one through, got a second ODI 50. Pushing into the 60s. Wider, crashed away. Oh, has he been caught? Porterfield very, very sharp indeed.
Exactly what the doctor ordered. Needed a wicket, William Porterfield. Although it was a long up, outside off stump. Mohamed Hafiz has cut it straight to point.
Well, he hit it very, very hard. Great catch for Porterfield. Didn't have to move. Very catchable height. Porterfield did well to hold on to it. Hafiz. Oh, more room there. The big swing at that one. There's a big cheer. 1 bounce, 4 runs. Sharjeel opening the shoulders.
Great footwork. Just the way he transfers his weight allows him to play that shot over deep mid-wicket. Just little press forward and bang. Moves onto his back foot.
Pulled away.